and increase access to sources of energy for the community. So this is just a general overview of discussing
the impacts of change, industrialization and urbanization. In the late 1830s, 1820s, Michael Faraday had been working in his laboratory discovering the effects of magnetism on metals, and it was in 1831 where he discovered electricity. But it took 45 to 50 years after that where we harnessed the energy for a sole purpose, and that was Thomas Edison in 1879 for light. Furthermore, it took some years later for us to develop electricity as a viable option in the communities, with generators heavily being used in the mid-1900s for its electrical demand in households. Whereas now we know that the Snowy Hydro project really kick-started Australia's innovation in energy for the communities across Australia. And that happened in the 1940s, 50s and 60s, where majority of the migrants came from overseas to lead that project to revolutionise Australia's stand on energy generation. Whereas in the 1990s, we spent approximately 90% of our energy was from coal, and we have now become more innovative in the world in terms of generating electricity from other sources such as wind, rooftop solar and natural gas. So rooftop solar will be the most common source of energy generation in households now, where the government introduced rebates for householders to take up solar energy as an option. But what has that led to? So the increased use of electricity in the household and energy in the household. Well, people now have a lot more leisure time. We've increased our productivity in the workforce. And generally our technology has boomed because of our dependence on electricity. So this is just a general overview of electricity and energy and its changes in the community.